If you are getting lining issue on your LaserJet tank series, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check toner level. Look for indicator lights on your printer that show the toner level. If the level indicator lights or two level lights are lit, this means the toner is full. If it's low, refill the toner using a compatible refill kit. Method 2. Verify paper and print settings. Make sure you are using smooth, clean paper designed for laser printers. Avoid paper meant for inkjet printers, which can melt during laser printing and damage the machine. Generally, the nicer looking side of the paper is the one meant for printing. Do not use wrinkled, untidy papers or the papers that are too rough. Load the side facing up in the tray for printing. Before hitting print, check the print job settings in the program you are using to print like Microsoft Word, etc. To adjust the print job settings in the application from which you are printing, select File and then Print. Make adjustments in the settings. Make sure the options like color mode, paper type like plain paper, photo paper, etc., paper size, and print quality are all set correctly for what you are trying to print. If the picture or document you are printing looks blurry or pixelated on your screen, it will likely come out the same way on paper. Consider editing the file to improve colors, brightness, contrast, or resolution before printing for a better result. Method 3. Check if the printer is properly connected. Faulty connections can cause a variety of printing problems, including strange characters, fuzzy or dark prints, and toner marks. Bypass any devices between your computer and printer. Connect the printer directly to your computer's USB port. Plug the printer directly into a wall outlet, avoiding surge protectors or power strips for now. Try printing again after making these changes. If the problems persist, move on to the next troubleshooting steps. Method 4. Ensure optimal printing environment for top quality results. Your printer's surroundings can significantly impact how well it performs. Here is what you need to consider for flawless prints. Keep your printer away from open windows, doors, and air conditioners that create air currents. Avoid placing the printer in excessively hot or humid locations. Low humidity can result in background shading on your prints. High humidity can cause foggy scanner optics, uneven printing like dark, light, fuzzy, dropped characters or water droplets on the printed page. Don't confine your printer in a cabinet. Ensure proper airflow, especially around the top vents, by removing any obstructions. Protect your printer from airborne contaminants like dust, steam, grease, or anything that might leave residue inside. Method 5. Clean the toner cartridge using HP Smart App. Download and install the HP Smart App on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and connect it to your HP printer. Click on your printer icon to open the settings and management tools. Navigate to Advanced Settings and this should open the embedded web server. Now go to the System tab and head to Service. If prompted to log in, then type admin for username and type the PIN following the printer label. You should find the label inside the cartridge access area. Once done, click on Submit. Locate the cartridge cleaning mode option and then click on Start. This should start the cleaning process. This might take up to 3 minutes. Method 6. Print a future cleaning page using HP Smart App. Similar to cleaning the cartridge, you can use the HP Smart App to initiate a future cleaning cycle. Load paper into the input tray and power on the printer. Through the app, access advanced settings. Then go to System and then select Service. If prompted to log in, then type admin for username and type the PIN following the printer label. Once done, click on Submit. Next, find Fuser Cleaning Mode. Start the cleaning process. The attention light on the control panel should start blinking. Press the Resume button on the control panel to start the fusor cleaning. The printer will use a single sheet of paper for cleaning and may take up to 2 to 5 minutes. Wait till the process completes. Method 7. Adjust print density using HP Smart App. The HP Smart App allows you to change the print density, which controls how much toner is used per print. Open the app, then navigate to Advanced Settings. Go to the System tab, then click on System Setup. If asked to log in, then type admin for username and type the PIN from the printer label. Once done, click on Submit. Locate print density. Increase the density for a richer, darker print. Click Apply to save the changes. Method 8. Update printer firmware using HP Smart App. Outdated printer firmware can sometimes lead to print quality issues. Use the HP Smart App to check for and install any available firmware updates for your printer model. Open the app. Look for a section labeled Advanced or Settings within the app. Tap on this to open the printer's embedded web server. Log into the EWS if prompted. The EWS might require you to log in for security reasons. Enter admin for the username. For the password, enter the PIN you found on the printer label earlier. Tap Submit to log in. Once logged into the EWS, navigate to the System tab. Under System, locate the Administrator section. Within Administration, you should see an option for Printer Updates or something similar. Tap on it. On the Printer Updates page, click the button labeled Check Now or something similar. This will instruct the printer to search for available firmware updates. If a newer firmware version is found, the update will download and install automatically. Do not turn off your printer or your smartphone or tablet during the update process. This can damage your printer. The update process may take several minutes. The HP Smart App or the EWS will show you the update process. Once the update is complete, your HP printer will have the latest firmware installed. Make sure you should not turn off the printer during a firmware update, as this can permanently damage the device. Method 9. Clean the pickup roller. Turn off the printer, then disconnect the power cord, and then wait for the product to cool. Open the print cartridge door, then gently remove the print cartridge and find the pickup roller. Slowly release and remove the pickup roller. Now, pull the small, white tabs on the either sides of the pickup roller outward. Next, rotate the pickup roller towards the front. Once done, pull the pickup roller up and out gently. Use a lint-free cloth to clean the pickup roller. You can lightly moisten the cloth with water. You should use distilled filtered water for cleaning the pickup roller. Now allow the pickup roller to dry completely. Now reseat the pickup roller. Position the pickup roller in the slot properly. Rotate the top of the pickup roller away from you until both sides snap into place. Now close the access door. Then reconnect the power cord, turn on the product and try to print. Method 10. Reset the printer. After you have properly cleaned and dried the pickup roller, reset the printer. With the printer plugged in and turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer and unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait for a minute or two. Then reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Now turn on the printer to complete the reset. Method 11. Reseat the ink cartridges. If the ink cartridge is not seated properly, then the printer can show lining issues. So reseat the cartridges and then check if this fixes the issue. To do so, turn off the printer and pull out the cartridges carefully. Check for the ink level in the cartridges. Replace them if needed. Once done, put back the cartridge. You should hear a clicking sound while reseating them. Restart your printer and check if the issue is fixed. Method 12. Clean the printer head. Sometimes the head of the printer may get clogged with ink, and this is why the printer cannot print properly and show lines. So, clean the head of the printer. Open the printer's door and disconnect the head of the printer. Pull it out carefully and hold it under hot water tap. Use a paper towel to dry it. You can also use some pure alcohol or non-oil based cleaner and a microfiber cloth to clean the printer head. After cleaning the printer's head, check if the printer is working as expected. Otherwise, go to the next solution. Method 13. Service the printer. If none of the above steps resolve the poor print quality, your printer might require service or replacement. Visit the HP website or contact HP customer support to schedule a repair or replacement. Always keep a sample of the faulty print for reference if you need to contact HP customer service. Refer to the HP product warranty. Check to see if your printer is still under warranty. Out of warranty, repairs may incur a fee. And there you have it, the 13 solutions to fix the lining issue on your LaserJet tank series. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.